In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bookmark folders in Google Chrome. Organizing your bookmarks efficiently can make a world of difference when it comes to navigating through hundreds of links, and knowing how to sort them into folders is a crucial part of that process. Whether you're someone who has a few trusted sites or a whole library of bookmarks, setting up folders will introduce an effortless way to keep everything neat and tidy. First, we're going to launch Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, look up there to the top right corner of your screen. You should see three vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More menu or Options menu. Go ahead and click on that. These dots are essentially your gateway to a world of settings and options within Chrome. Next, hover your cursor over the Bookmarks option in the drop-down menu that appears. When you do that, you'll see another list pop up right beside it. In this secondary menu, find and click on Bookmark Manager. This will lead you to a page dedicated to managing all your bookmarked pages. Think of it as your personal library within Chrome. When you're in the Bookmark Manager tab, take a look at the top right side of the window. Once again, you'll notice another set of three vertical dots. Give those a click. They're essential for accessing additional settings and options specific to the Bookmark Manager. From the menu that emerges, select Add New Folder. Now, what we've done here is created a space where you can start to accumulate and organize your bookmarks. But no folder is complete without a name. You'll now see a dialog box prompting you to enter a folder name. Type something meaningful that helps categorize the type of bookmarks you'll be storing here. It could be work projects, recipes, or perhaps travel plans. Don't forget to save your new folder by pressing Enter on your keyboard or clicking Save. With your new folder ready to go, the final touch is populating it with bookmarks. You can easily drag and drop your bookmarks right into this folder. Simply click and hold on a bookmarked item, then drag it over to your new folder and release. Now, instead of a chaotic collection, you'll have a neatly organized system that makes it much easier to find what you're looking for at a glance. Organizing bookmarks into folders not only declutters your browser, but also enhances productivity by saving you time when searching for a particular site. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain order in your digital workspace. And there you have it, effortless bookmark management to enhance your browsing experience in Google Chrome.